apelido mo. That was Apelido. At this point, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the people who have been instrumental in my career. Kaya maraming salamat po to our ABS-CBN bosses for always making me believe in me. Sir Mark Lopez, Sir Carlo Katigbak, thank you so much for being here. Tita Cory Vedanes, thank you po. Direk Lauren Jogi, Sir Jamie Lopez, Sir Chris Gasman, Sir August Benitez, to my Star Magic family, Ate Edith, Farinas, Ate Yani, alam nyo yan, maraming salamat po to my Rise Artist Studio family, Sir Miko, Del Rosario, Miss JD, Mama Jerson, Ate Pat, Ate Da, Ate Kea, and special thanks to my ASAP natin to, Sir Louie, Ma'am Jazz, Miss Winnie, and Miss Apple, Star Cinema, Direct P, Star Creatives, Changdes, I Want TFC, and ABS-CBN Global. Can't Buy Me Love family, they're here tonight. Direct May was here earlier. Achi, I missed you. And sa inyong lahat na nandito, of course, Kyla Estrada, Jello Marquez, Anthony Jennings, Bong Gonzalez. Who else is here? Did I miss anyone? Anyway, to my glam team, Mama Jake, Mama RJ, Mama Jerry, Mama Gian, Miss A, Miss V, Sent, Rax, and Jericho, they're all backstage now. Maraming salamat sa inyo. To my Star Pop and ABS-CBN Events family, Sir Roxy Likigan, Sir Jonathan Manalo, Sir Rox Santos, Mama Dars Chang, Ate Mau, Thomas, and thank you so much. To Playback Productions, Mother Jessa, Mother, thank you. Kuya Makoy, Ate Salve, thank you to my dancers tonight sa A-Team, grabe kayo. Our concert director, of course, palakpakan tayo dyan kay John Ligo. Our TV and live stream director, Direk Itchy Flores. Birthday niya ngayon. Batiin natin siya ng happy birthday, Direk! Our musical director, of course, Maestro Ian, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng prod, staff and crew ng Believe, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. And to all the brands and sponsors na patuloy ang pagtitiwala sa akin, thank you so much po, Pond's Bright Glowing Skin in 2 easy steps. It's easy with Pond's. Close-up for all day, amazing fresh breath close-up as antibacterial zinc. And Sunsilk, dandruff and itchy dry hair. Switch and try the new Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, a 2-in-1 solution with a tea tree oil and aloe vera that removes dandruff na balik healthy and smooth hair pa. Thank you to my Sunsilk and Pond's family who are here tonight. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to PLDT Home, our official internet provider for our live stream via I Want TFC. Of course, my parents, Daniela, Santino, Inigo, Natalia, my titos and titas, lolos, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for believing in me. And especially, Father God Almighty. I don't want to get emotional. Father God Almighty, thank you. And sa inyong lahat ngayon na nandito, sa Theater ng Soler, thank you. Oy, naiyak ako, hindi pa tayo tapos. Bawal pa. Oy, hindi. Mamaya. And syempre sa mga nakatutok sa atin sa I Want TFC, thank you so much for being part of my concert. From the bottom of my heart, I can't thank you guys enough for believing in me since day one. You made this young dreamer's dream come true.
For me now, the age of 22, love is self-discovery. I think I'm at that stage and point in my life since I'm 22 that I'm learning so much more from myself. You know, how do I navigate things in life? Where do I see myself? Let's say in 5 years, 10 years. So for me now, the simple act of discovering something from myself, or like, hey, I can do this, or hey, I can do that. Hindi ko pala kaya to, ganon. For me, that's love now. Self-discovery. I personally share my love to my family, my friends, everyone that loves me, the people that support me, whether that may be my acting or my music career. Any form or any way I can, I share my love to them. If I were to describe my family's love in one word, it would be safe. Their love made me feel safe and comfortable. it's important that they're around me because they remind me of who I truly am and what's lovable about me. And it's important we surround ourselves with the right environment and the proper people that reminds us of who we are. At one point naman, di ba, in general, like all of us at one point would feel na parang question na, does someone love me? Or kamahal-mahal ba ako? Wow! Kamahal-mahal ba ako? And then, pero it's all rooted to you nga. Kasi like, as often as I say it or as cliche as it is, it's true when they say, no one will love you if you don't love yourself. And I'm a firm believer of that saying. Na you have to learn how to love yourself first. And once you learn how to love yourself first, that love you have will be so full that you'll be able to exude it and to radiate it to other people and the people around you. Yeah, it's masaya magmahal. Everything we do should be rooted to love. Masarap maka-receive ng pagmamahal, pero masarap din mag-share ng pagmamahal. Stay there.
You in my place, so I know you like it there. You like it there, baby, I know you like it there. And I put you in my place, so I know you like to beg. You like to beg, baby, I know you like to beg.
Got you in my place, so I know you like it bad. Like it bad, babe, I know you like it bad. And I see it in your face, cause I know you like to beg. You like to beg, babe, I know you like to beg.
And I'm loving and teasing on you.
Yeah.
Touching and loving on you. Got you in every book, cause you like when I'm mean with you.
That's fine, I love it all time. Till they can hear every kiss on my ceiling. Till the hidden is right in my middle.
Put you in my place, so I know you like it there. You like it there, baby, I know you like it there.
And I put you on my face, so I know you like to beg. You like to beg, babe, I know you like to beg.
Got you in my place, so I know you like it bad. You like it bad, babe, I know you like it bad.
And I see it in your face, cause I know you like to beg. You like to beg, babe, I know you like to beg.
You know my favorite position. Rock me like you in the mission. I was my 2020 vision. Every petition got me, I'm breathing. My arms in your shirt, I'm screaming. Got you in my place, so I know you like it bad. You like it bad, babe, I know you like it bad. And I see it in your face, cause I know you like to beg. You like to beg, babe, I know you like to beg. Got you in my place, so I know you like it bad. You like it bad, babe, I know you like it bad. And I see it in your face, cause I know you like to beg. You like to beg, babe, I know you like to beg.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the one and only Denise Julia! Denise, thank you so much for saying yes to my invitation. I had so much fun sharing the stage with you.
Guys, thank you so much for having me. The pleasure is all mine. Isn't she such a talented young lady? I was really surprised that she invited me here and to hear that she is a fan of my music. So it's nice to see you all, you beautiful faces. And of course, you. You are just such one successful, talented, loved woman, and I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Give it up for Denise Julia!
Okay, Ladies and gentlemen, do you want more from Belle? One more time, do you want more from Belle? Well, we do not need to dare her because she will definitely give us more. The stage is all yours, Belle Mariana.
Hold on. Did you say you're on your way? Why now? When you just went MIA. Message received, oh, now you want me back. I know the procedure. Try to come to my place, turn around, it's too far away, too far gone. Ooh, can't handle what I am now. You're fat now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? Cause I'm up now. So let's make sure the day to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or would you still want me if I didn't have it all? You could have had it with me, but instead you gave it up. Tell me, when is it gonna get true to you? Everybody needs somebody, but I can't be a fool. When they ask you questions about me, tell them how we could have gone places, but you were too impatient. Ooh, can't handle what I am now. You're fair now, and I'm not what I was. Ooh, so tell me, are you down now? Cause I'm up now. So let's make sure the day to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare. Well, kung tatanungin niyo ako, kung truth or dare, I can choose both. Kayo ba? Truth or dare? Truth. Kayo? Ba't lahat nagto-choose? Ba't lahat nagto-choose? O, dare. Okay. Sige, dare muna tayo. Sa mga may platinum tickets dyan, ng Believe concert, don't dare to miss the Unplugged after party with me tomorrow! Unplugged, ito guys, meaning no gadgets para ma-enjoy natin ang bonding natin together. But don't worry, we have our official photographer for memories and posting. Okay ba yun? Is that okay? So see you guys tomorrow at 1 ABC dito sa Forum Soler, 6 p.m. Guys, wear your smart casual outfit. And sa truth naman, ito, sa mga nandito na nag-truth. Mas okay talaga ang mga bagay kung biglaan, di ba? Hindi pinaplano kung saan nangyari. Yan pa yung mga natutuloy, di ba? And that's what my next song is all about. di mo na kinailangan kumatok pa sa piso kung pinasok mo ng biglaan. Di man ako nakapaganda, araw-araw ko gumaganda kapag ikaw lang kasama. Sabi ko ba'y di nakutin na naman, ulit-ulit na naman, kasi pinangihinayangan aking nakaraan. Ay, babalang ako, di naman nagkakaganito. Alam ko kung ano ang gusto ko, pero bakit ba nagkakaganito? Ika'y dumating na, ikaw ang tumatak sa isip ko. Di ba nagkakaganito? Nang dumating ang biglaan, at ngayon nandito na tayo. Inaamin ko sa'yo, kinakabahan aking nararamdaman. Sabi mo'y kahit biglaan, iingatan mo agad. Hindi na natin mo na gusto ko. Ang tumatak ko sa isip ko, wala ko nagkakaganito. Nang dumating kang biglaan.
I've been waiting for so long now. I found someone to stand by me.
Saw the writing on the wall, and I felt this magical fantasy.
Are you guys ready?
Something else, something else. Can't just ignore her, look into her eyes. It's eyes. She's a force you can't deny. But she found a crazy dancing in bed instead of a crazy boy. I can't stop thinking. I go crazy. Run away, oh run away. I wanna get away. How crazy love can find its way. I think I'm into her. There'll never be a girl like this girl. They say he's into her, and I don't know how long I'll hide this love girl. And when the stars align, something magical happens that's divine. They say he's into her. Yeah, I'm into her.
Ano bang gagawin sa nararamdaman? Minsan kahit ang labo mo, hulog pa rin ang puso ko sa'yo. Ano bang sagot sa katanungan? Ano bang gagawin sa nararamdaman? Na magtago, hindi tatakbo.
At alam kong hahanapin ka ng puso ko.
Na magtampo,
Hindi lalayo, wala nang siguro. Hindi pa, pero okay.
Sige.
Parang part ko yun. Aminin ko ako'y kabahado. Medyo lang. Baka kasi damdamin ko nasaktan mo. Pero gusto ko nang maniwala sa'yo. Hindi mo bibitawan ang pangako mo. Ang ako, hindi tatakbo. Pagkat alam kong hahanapin ka ng puso ko. Kahit na magtampo, hindi lalayo. Wala nang siguro.
siguro hindi lahat naniniwala.
Pero sigurado tayo sa ating dalawa.
Siguro sa ngayon di pa tayo handa.
Siguro sa ngayon,
Pero sigurado tayong dalawa'y
para sa isa't isa.
May tanong ako.
Ano yun, ano yun?
Ino,
Kara?
makakakita ka na ba ng kulay?
Medyo ito, ang dami ko nakikitang kulay, oh. Pero mas lalo dito. Relax. First of all, gusto ko nang sabihin, congratulations sa'yo. Kasi, tinan mo naman, di ba? Palaging sold out yung crowd mo. Guys, maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito, sa pagsuporta kay Tink. Ako, never ko ginagawa to. Ito, live with you. Pero para sa'yo, gagawin ko to. Meron pa ba? O dapat meron pa, siyempre. Inom muna ako ng tubig, ah. So we're slowly taking it back to like memory lane. And then, ano ba yung next nun?
We'll see.
Sing along na lang kung gusto niyo. this trouble, I realized that I'm only looking on their eyes, concentrating only on what they see. Yes, you're looking at me, and now I know
Everything I do is for your eyes only.
everywhere I go is for your eyes only. Everything I am is for your eyes only. No matter how they'll see me, you see beyond what they see in me. No matter what I'll be, it's for your eyes only.
Kang mahihiyang sabihin sa akin ang mga nilalaman, isip mong naguguluhan. Kahit na ano pa man ang iyong nakaraan, hindi ito mahalaga. Pipiliin kasama ka kahit na
Marami pang dinadala, nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi, hanggang sa huli pupunasan ang mga luha natin at haharapin. Ano man ang mangyari sa atin, kahit na magmamahal, kahit na kahit pa magmamahal, kahit na kahit na
Kamusta naman kayo? Wala kami, nag-enjoy lang kami dito, nagkakwentuhan lang kami. Kamusta naman araw mo? You were a bit stressed, no, kanina?
Earlier, but
You're
now
like-
that I'm here, I'm so happy.
You're like shaking and stuff, but
Yes.
you're doing great.
Yeah,
You're
I
doing
feel
great.
safe.
Uy guys, huwag muna kayong umuwi, ha? Kasi marami pang... Okay lang, almost. So, after ng He's Into Her Season 2, nandito yung director ng movie na yun, Direk P.
Direk!
Hello. Ano, kaya pa? I love you. Thank you for being here. Ito, dedicated sa'yo to. At lahat sa mga sumuporta ng Inconvenient Love.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I love you daw, sabi niya. Sino ba yan? Ano nagsabi? I love you, Belle daw.
I love you. Water break.
Ikaw, wala kang tubig. Okay. Game.
hawak kamay naglalakad sa may.
Nalampasigan, saksi ang alon at buwan.
Tumipilis ang tibok ng puso tuwing ika'y
Tumatawa at tumitingin sa aking mata.
pwede namang dito muna tayo.
Hanggang ang langit ay maging kulay kahel at dilaw.
Habang dumidiin ang paa sa buhangin,
Tumitimirin ang pangarap na ako at ikaw.
kinakabahan na baka gusto mo nang umalis.
Hindi ko malaman kung paano mo sasabihin.
Huwag muna tayo umuwi, mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi.
Dito muna
Aga pa ating gabi, naglalako ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna, muna ako.
ako. Tayo. Muna tayong umuwi.
Magka-uwi ah. Pero ito naman. Doon na nga, dapat ngayon ko sinabi to eh.
Ano yun?
I feel safe.
Take two.
Take two. I feel safe. Kayo ba guys? May idea ba kayo kung anong next namin kakantahin?
Kamusta naman kayo dyan sa taas? Okay naman. Dyan sa likod dyan, kamusta naman kayo? Dito sa gitna. Lahat kayo, kamusta kayo lahat? Mukhang okay pa naman. Okay pa naman sila. Okay. Alam nyo na, sabayin nyo kami dito. Kasi nakakamiss si Bingo tsaka si Ling eh.
Kaya nga. Bingo, play.
Aalis na daw siya. Huwag ka muna malis. Huwag ka alis.
Bakit?
Nobody knows just where we're. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine.
If the universe conspires to gather lives to make us fuel and fire, we know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here.
Remember how we laughed until we cried at the most stupid things, like we were so high. But love was all that we were on. We belong.
And though the world will never understand the silently and why it still stands, someday we will be set free. Believe.
Surprise, surprise!
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here.
Thank you guys. We love
Thank
you.
you guys. Pero before we leave, I'd like to thank you personally, Nato. Thank you so much for being here. Alam ko kung gaano ka hands-on. We've been practicing this for days, weeks even. So maraming salamat. Thank you so much for all the effort. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations on a successful concert. You are the definition that when you believe in something, it can happen. And I'm so proud of you.
Grabe naman. The Theater at Soler, give it up for Donnie Pangilinan!
Bel Mariano!
I wanted to be so many things when I was a kid. And I think that's normal for, kids. They wanted to be scientists, they wanted to be a teacher, ang dami. But for me, I discovered my dream when I entered the industry. Nasabi ko, wow, this is something I want to do and this is something I love doing. I've always been that kid who loves entertaining people, and I think this is the best way and platform for me to be able to inspire and share the joy with people too. One of prayers na natupad is after Sigurado, the first song, sabi ko, ang tanging dahilan, sabi ko, sana magka-album ako? And then nagka-album nga ako, na parang sabi ko, oh my gosh. And then, from there on, I also pray that I'm able to write music. And I swear, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, pero never ko talagang in-imagine yung sarili ko makakapagsulat ako ng kanta. Pero, wow, nagawa ko. Siyempre, hindi naman lahat ng prayers ko natutupad. Siyempre, personally, madami pa akong dreams na gusto ma-achieve. Ang dami ko pa gustong maabot, and ang dami ko pa talagang gustong gawin. Day by day, I tell myself na maybe it's not for me now. But hopefully, maybe in the future it is. And I think what's really meant for you will find you naman. Everything will fall according to God's plans. Dreaming doesn't come with age. Whether you're 5, like me before, was just dreaming or singing in the karaoke, or 22 like me now, or let's say 50 years from now, 50-year-old Belle, I'd still be dreaming. So dreaming doesn't come with any age. If you put your heart and mind in it, you're capable of so many things. And it will never be too late for you to dream. It will never be too early for you to dream. Not everything you want, you'll get. But don't forget that you'll get something better than you want. Because I think that's the truth when it comes to dreaming and life, na parang what's meant for you naman talaga what you want sometimes isn't what's meant for you. And then along the way, you'll discover that what came to you is actually greater than what you wanted.
Hugis ng pananabik ang namumula-kalag sa panimula ng isang panahon kung saan nais kong umalis.
sabi sa akin ng buong dunya. Kala nyo kakantayin ko na, no? Kala nyo? Hindi. I told you last time na may involved kayo, di ba? So we're gonna sing this part 3 times. Kaya nyo ba yon? 3 times? Alam nyo ba tong bridge? Sabayan nyo ako, ha? Mary had a lover that he went out to sail again. And when he left her dead and gone, she had nothing to hold on. She no longer wants to stay. Girls like her wait in the dark for someone who will save. Isa pa! Louder! Mary had a lover that... Go kayo! Louder! When he left her dead and gone, she had nothing to hold on. Mary wants to run away. She no longer wants to stay. Girls like her waiting. May isa pa guys, kailangan natin mas malakas, mas powerful! Come on! Mary had a lover that we were out to sail again. When he left her dead and gone, she had nothing to hold on. Kayo! She no longer wants to stay. Girls like her waiting in the dark for someone who will save her heart. Nice. Hugis ng pananabig ang namumulaklak sa panimula ng isang panahon kung nais ko umalis. Thank you very much! Grabe! Grabe! Wow! Wait lang. Alam niyo ba gano'n namin katagal pre-nep yan? Thank you so much for participating. Maraming salamat. I love you all and thank you so much for believing that I can achieve great things. Thank you so much. And thank you because you helped me make my dreams come true. You asked me what my birthday wish was. Well, this is it. Guys, tinutupad niyo. Grabe kayo, Belle, the music artist will always be grateful for the love and support and I will always be happy to perform for all of you. Kahit anong stage man yan. And of course, thank you to all the brands who believed in me. Thank you to Pond's, Close-Up, and Sunsilk. To all of you, please believe in the power of your dreams. Dahil kung kaya ko, kaya nyo rin. And just when you thought na tapos na tayo, I have one more surprise for you. This is Believe, my very own birthday concert.
it seems. I know I felt like this before, but now I'm feeling it even more, because it came from you. And then I open up and see the person falling here is me, a different way to be. I want more, impossible to ignore, impossible to ignore. Can't come true, impossible not to do, possible not to do. And now I tell you openly, you have my heart, so don't hurt me. What I couldn't find, a totally amazing mind, so understanding and so kind. You're everything to me. All my life is changing every day in every possible